Winnie Clark. Mabuza, and I am currently at the Gables eZulwini lapho sitha khona emncintiswano lomkhulu nalomuhle lotane eSwatini Mobile. Mangabe ufuna kuva kabanti ngawo chubeka ubukele wona ke umsakazo channel eMaswati njengoba emva kwami ikhona imotolo yehlobo lo Suzuki. The two of them that you're going to be winning ku campaign labatokchazela ngayo kahle kabanti namuhla kulo November nakulo December. I'm going to leave everything to this sir, very tall guy next to me. Hi.
Hello. Yeah, good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Bongisha Bonene. We alive, it is what it is. We work, we connect, we serve. Ladies and gentlemen, lamuhla sitolonja i-program, sitolonja i-competition. Wawine ekhaya eSwatini Mobile. Before I continue with my program, I would like to recognize the Eswatini Mobile CEO, Jeff Pemberton, and I would also like to recognize Chief Marketing Officer, Khulile Dlamini. Ladies and gentlemen, I would also like to welcome Khulile Dlamini to explain a lot about the launch of the program of Winika Eswatini Mobile. Thank you.
Sanibonani. Libito lami ngikhulile Dlamini. Kwecala nje angibonge ukuthi sikhona sifikile la. Kuna CEO wethu Jeff Pemberton. Ne management yaseSwatini Mobile. Sibonge futhi ukuthi ne media sinayo. Sihlangene ke ngeku umsebenzi lomkhulu lamhla lesitowethula swethulela sive. Sitawuthi nje singaka qhubeka kakhulu sicela CEO wethu Jeff Pemberton ukuthi as address asemukele asethembise bese ke nasaqedile sabe siyaqhubeka ke nohlelo lethu. Siyabonga.
Good morning, invited guests, press, the Red team members present. Thank you for taking the time and honoring the invitation today to come out and witness the launch of our winter car promotion, which is for our No Frills product. We recognize that 2020 has been a challenging year for all our customers, especially with COVID, the lockdown, the alcohol ban, and also the negative economy. However, despite this, we're very happy to announce today that we have over 130,000 No Frills contract customers on our network now, and we're very, very happy for that. The purpose of this competition really is to thank those No Frills customers for being loyal and choosing the Red Network to actually be their communication service provider during these trying times. The No Frills product is our pay-as-you-go contract that gives customers the best value in terms of voice, data, and SMS resources aligned to the budget that they have. I would like to call Kulile, our Chief Marketing Officer now, to come over here and unpack the actual No Frills winner car competition for you. Thank you very much.
Siyabonga kuJeff. Maybe kwekuqala nje ngitawuthi kuma guests ethu la khona la. Sitawucela labo labaphethe 79. Basiphe inombolo tabo batawuniketa Cindy. Nawune nombolo lethi 79. Sitawuba net draw towards the end of the program yethu. Letawu demonstrate ukuthi nase siwinisa imoto yethu sayiwinisa kanjani. So nangabe utkhanza ulakhi lamuhla for a smaller car lelu cingo please funani Cindy uphi Cindy nimnikete inombolo 1079 sitawusebenzisa tona udrawer in the next 10-15 minutes. Okay, asiqhubekeke. Lamuhla sitawukhuluma ngecompetition yethu win a car. Niyayibona ke naye lamva kwami sithi ke kuma customers ethu la sebenzisa inombolo lethi 79 kusukela kusasa 1st of November sicala kudlala umdlalo wokuwina le moto le. Siyiwina kanjani ke? Sinema packages ethu leswabita ngano frills la popular kakhulu eveni. No frills 100 emalangeni. No frills 195, no frills 295 na no frills 495. Uma uthenga leyo package kusukela mhla ka 1 November kuya ku 1 November kuya ku 30 November utibeka ethubeni lekuthi ungawina le moto. Awudzingi uthenga lokunye. Akusile competition lapho khona kuthiwa bhadala 5 emalangeni sitawu kuseyihambile leyo mali. lo no freeze wakho na umthenga uyamsebenzisa at the same time so ungenile ebhodweni la le draw kanjalo kusukela mhla ka1 December kuya ku31 phize futhi siyachubeka lokusho ukuthi leti moto dimbili neleti winwako yekucala iwina mhla ka30 November leyesibili iwina mhla ka31 December ngishito ukuthi angifuna ama packages ethu ungawina unga subscriber ku any of those packages also the customer lethu livumelekile ukuthi lingaloada more than one package during the course of the month kuze utibeke ethubeni lelingcono lekuwina kumbe nje kuthinza kancane kuma rules ethu siyawati imithetho yelive lekhuluma ngokuthi kumele ube ngu18 years or above kuze udlale imidlalo nje siyibekile imigomo nembandzela yethu ukuthi sitaba sefa kanjani niyakhumbula ukuthi vele angeke uyakhe inombolo ya 79 or any other nangabe ungakafiki ku18 ungadlala kona ungumntwana but leyo nombolo leyo isuke ibhaliswe ngemlomdzala so sesivele lokho sikubukile njengoba ngishito ke angikukhonkosele ukuthi tinombolo leti yangena ebhodweni inombolo ecala nga79 phize ngisho futhi ukuthi ke buze ukhone ku activate le package ya 7 ya no frills sitawuthi ufundisana nje kafishane uloda i-airtime yakho noma uyithenga ebhange lakho noma uyithenga esitaladini lapho khona convenient uyayiloda le airtime asesibekise boloda le 100 emalangeni so download le airtime bese ungena ku star 222 kuma messages labuya ko ukhethe no frills bese uyaactivate no frills wethu uthatha 30 days lama packages lawa ehlukene nge date chapter ukuthi ikhiki lakho likuvumela ukuthi uactivate ipackage lenganani i-behavior yayo ithi nakuphela lo 30 days sita notify thina ukuthi yo 30 days seyiyaphela renewer uma ngabe ungaka renew kwaphela lo 30 days itase seyingena la sikubita khona ukuthi auto renew lokusho ukuthi na ungaphindza ufaka le airtime davele ithathele lo 100 emalangeni nawe ku 100 emalangeni lokusho ukuthi sowuvele uyakhona ukutibeka ethubeni lekungena kuleya nga December futhi ipromotion maybe ngiphinze futhi ngisho noma ke ngiphinze lokuthi kuze utibeke ethubeni lelingcono utawukhona ukuthi ube na more than one subscription in a given 30 days so kukuwe ukuthi ikhiki lakho likuvumela ukuthi ufike kuphi ngicabanga ukuthi kafishane i-explanation yami around le promotion ime kanjalo siyethemba lokuthi ezisingena ku festive season ema customers ethu singena nawo ngana i-promotion yethu la khona sithemba ukuthi nasifika emarket sitawukhanza kunale excitement lethi okay yathi ngenteka kule nyanga le kube ngimi lo winako usungena Christmas ubushayela imoto ngicabanga ukuthi MC ngichazile sawathatha ama questions mase sicedzile nangabe kukhona lapho khona kunemuntu longakeva kahle khona ngiyabonga
asibonge lapha ku Chief Marketing Officer wethu Khulile ngaphandle kokuchitha isikhathi ngicabanga kubita CEO wa Eswatini Mobile Jeff Mbathini baseta kaningi mangabe nifuna kubuta bathangichazela kabantu ukuthi uwina kanjani le moto kulomncintiswano ngaphandle kokuchitha isikhathi ngiyamukela Jeff Mbathini ngoba bukele emakhaya nyalo sitawenda i-demonstration ukuthi kwendiwa kanjani kuze uwine kulomncintiswano ngitawucela Khulile Dlamini Chief Marketing Officer ukuthi abuye atawuchaza kabanzi ukuthi siwina kanjani
Okay, ngiyabonga. Sindi sicedzile musi ngetinombolo. Noma kangithi labafuna ukungena ebhodweni bawina licingo. Sebafakile itinombolo tabo. Lithuba lekugcina. Kungenile itinombolo. Sochubeka. Ifake inombolo nika sithi. Sinika nje lithuba lekugcina asifakeni inombolo simake sure ukuthi asisaleli ngemuva. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngathi sesicedile. Okay, asiqhubekeni ke. Lesita kwenda kenyalo. Ngidawubita Rosa abuye ngala ngembili sitochaza ukuthi sitawu demonstrate kanjani kuwina kwalo licingo. Babukele emakhaya Rosa Dlamini ke sitabe sisebenza naye ezisiqhubeka nale promotion yethu over the next 2 months. I-explanation yethu nyalo ibhekene nokuthi sinitshengise ukuthi siyagcina siwine kanjani lo licingo. Sinemabhola la. Sinemabhola lana la ngu 10 lesitawu letha ngembili. Lamabhola lawa siwasebenzisela ukuthi kube fair sibone lokuthi noma ngangibani unelithuba lelilinganako lokuthi angawina. So lesita kwenta kenyalo esilamabhola sindi angilethela ngembili utawuhamba around Rosa akhethe bantu nje laba random asitshengise lokuthi kuwina njani. Ngani ngisutshele on TV. Lucingo lesiluwina kwenyalo nalo. Nokia 2.3 4G phone. Niyati network yethu ukuthi satiwa ngakuthi siku 4G. Kwanyalo sikhuluma ukuthi is the fastest uma ukungena ku internet noma ke wenda anything that is related to the internet. Wayese ka asangilodela le tincingo kuna announcement ofuna kuyenda
I trust babukeli bephu bayalalela bavile ama rules well nendlela yokungenela i-competition nokuthi terms and conditions apply especially if you're under 18. Benda ngema no frill packages 100 amalangeni 195 295 and 495. So if you want to win this car or the other car in December when Mr. Dlamini. However, the announcement that I want to make is that at 8 in the evening, Channel Maswati is going to be repeating the live broadcast that we have Nyalo. For the benefit of those who are not in the house right now. And also you can find it on YouTube. Search Eswatini Winner Car Competition launch. You will find it even right now as we speak, as we are currently streaming live. And next time you're ready for the
yes, sasiready safaka nje inombolo yokugcina khona lo saqhamuka nyalo lothi naye uyafuna ukungena kule draw. So ezike basaqedela nje kufaka inombolo tabo ngiphinze timoto lesithi winako dimbili batatibona ke balaleli nesive ezisiqhubeka nema promotions ethu over the 2 months stabe sinawo ama road shows asibuke futhi noma ke sitawubona ema ads ethu sidabatsinza ku social media ema customer ethu nesive sibatsinze ngama print ads nawubona futhi kushintshwa nokoma billboards la shoko lokuthi vele siyilontshile lamhla le promotion. Ngisemile nje angisho lokuthi sitawuphindze sitholakale futhi ku Channel S sitawendlula kuloku kusakadwa kwalamuhla sibe netinhlelo lesitadenda letihambisana nayo le promotion lokusho ukuthi sitaba nayo leminye imidladlwana lemincane singake fiki kule grand draw sibe sichubeka sikhutsata abantu noma si make sure ukuthi wonke umuntu lokhona uyeva ngale promotion kumcoka kakhulu ukuthi sigcine sathi ukuthi wonke umuntu uthintekile. Ngivuleleni i-TV yami.
Wine on the beat.
Okay. Asichubeke ke. Maybe kuthi nje ngi-explain kafishane. Lapha ku TV yami lapha kule screen lenisibukako. Kunenombolo lethi 79. Lokusho sitonke tinombolo leti tawuphatheka lafuna kuqale nga79. Then sine selected the remaining 246 numbers. Rosala utawuhamba athathe umuntu labona ngathi uyamthanza lamhla abuye naye la afike athi akakhethe ibhola la leti ibhola lamabhola lawa unumbered nakayikhipha itawuba nenombolo ngendeka kube ngu0 to any number leya ku9 lo muntu taso uyasho ukuthi le nombolo yakhe kulamabhokisi ufuna uyibeka kuliphi libhokisi stouts nawu ikhipha nje sithi ukhetha kanyalo ukuthi le yakho inombolo lo yithethe iya kuliphi libhokisi lokutawenteka nawuyifaka lapha le nombolo itase iyasho lapha ngentasi ukuthi bantu laba sele towards the match bangakhi sitawuyenda siyiphinza le process until we get to the winner. Asicale ke Rosa uhambe around ufunele ngathi uyamthanza ubuye naye la when we get ball. Khetha ke Jabu. Ukhethe nombolo 8. Uyibeka kuyiphi kuliphi libhokisi Jabu inombolo yakho let's 8. The last one nasibuka lekugcineni. Siyamfaka lo 8 lamkhethile. Kusho ukuthi immediately there's only 2 people in the plane yalo for the phone immediately. And that's how we're going to do it noma sesiwinisa. Stella lo munye. How? Uphinze kubuya 8. Ufuna kumbeka phi 8 wakho? Ku number 3 short 798. No match. Aw phinza futhi ubuya ukhiphe uphikeleni. Zero. Still. Lenye futhi. Three. Ufuna kumbeka phi ke? Asishintshe ufuna kumbeka phi 3. Fourth. Because we am so sad 0. Fourth. No, number 3. Okay. I'll settle the moon. Lomunye. Nombolo 2. Lomunye. Huh? No, sifaka lapha ngokuthi no match. Okay. Awuphinde udraw sikunikele enye 2. 4 besinayo. Lesamthatha. 6. Take the next one. Sifuna sigcine sitholele match. 5. Ikule win. Asiqhubeke. 7. Yeah. Qhubeka. Siyadala singakathathi. 9. khona lo lilitelako lapha kwami. Yes, that's your phone. Unfortunately, uvele uliphethe lolicingo. So
When are we launching another competition?
Eh?
So I can win something else.
what's the question?
When are we launching another competition so I can win something else?
Keep using your 7-9. So basically sayilandzela kanjalo ke le process yethu na ngalelanga sesiwinisa imoto. Lokusho ukuthi asinawati ukuthi ngibani until siwakhiphela amabhola acondzane. Ngicabanga ukuthi ke sesicedzile Rosa. At this juncture ngicela kuthatha ema questions. I'm sure senibonile ukuthi sendani, so for the benefit of us here nebabukele emakhaya sithathe ama questions sitokhona ukuthi sichazelane kahle. Questions? Clear. Asithembeke ukuthi kudele ngimvalela ngaphandle ngawubuyisela ke ku MC. If anything sokukhona lokucabanga ko sisekhona ungabuta sikuphendvule or yeah sikhona ku social media ungasithola khona sikuphendvule ne call center yethu ikhona ku 980 sitakuphendvula kuko konke longafisa ukuthi ukubude. Siyethemba lokuthi ezisuka nyalo la niyahamba niyothenga bono frills benu 100 emalangeni 195 295 na 495 kuze ukuthi sikhone ukuthi siwine. MC wami ngicabanga ukuthi mina kwami kuyaphela la. One, two. 1 1 2. Yeah, we work, we connect to self. Sesifike maphetheleni kwali lonje. Mangabe khona lenifuna kukwati ungashayela i-toll free eSwatini mobile to know more about le lonje yale Wineka competition. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was KZ, our Master of Ceremonies for the day, and we are going home winners. It means, guys, obviously, one of these cars is mine. So you can just join nje, you know, zami inhlanhla, but nje kuyacaca ukuthi yinye yada. I'm just kidding. But please do join the competition, ladies and gentlemen. Please ngikhumbule futhi ukuthi nga 8 o'clock itongena our channel yeMaswati, this again to benefit those who didn't see the live broadcast. Kuze ukuthi abantu abangena in competition babe more than this. Yes, that is it. Thank you so much for joining, and thank you to Eswatini Mobile. Thank you to Eswatini Mobile from me. Please do have a lovely afternoon and a great rest of your weekend. Bye.